Hello. Today's task is replacing the fog light. It's cracked. As you can see, it can breach in there. It's still working, but I just need to make it work better. So one of the first things you do is go underneath here, remove that shield, right? At least this screw that connects to this part of it. Then this shield, which is the fender liner, has two screws as well. One here, one here. Remove that. That's going to give you access in here. And what you do, there are tabs in there. Let's get a little closer. There are tabs in here on this shroud, grill cover, whatever you're going to call that I'm trying to reach. There's a bar in here, right here, that separates them, so I can't really go all the way through. But I'll reach my hand through here and through here to reach them. So let's go for it. One, two. Kind of have to see with your hands, but once you see the backside of this, once I remove it, hopefully it's going to give you a pretty good idea as to how you do it and to where the tabs are. You see, it already moved, right? 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you got 2 others over here. There you go. That's it. Expose your fog light. So as I said, these are the tabs you're looking at. 1, 2, which go 1, 2, 3, 4, which go in here, right beside the fog light. Then 5, 6, which go here to the sides. So reach in here. You know, just push down basically. Pinch them. This one is a one-sided pinch. The ones in the middle kind of have to pinch twice. Although if you just pinch on one side, it moves. This is the only one that's kind of two-sided pinch. Over here, you know, reach in through here, through the bottom. Oh, yeah, I blistered myself at work today. So then the other ones reach in through here as well. I don't know if you can see my hands. Then you've got this. Let's get a little closer now. Then you've got 2 10mm bolts over here. Pull those out. Then back here you can see this plug. Funny plug. What you do is pull this clip up. When you pull it up, then you pull it backwards, and there you go. There you have it. If you needed to, if all you needed was to replace your fog light bulb, actually you can do it while it's still in there. You don't need to mess with it. But here it is. And replace that, right? These are usually universal. Actually look like old school headlight bulbs. And the type is can't tell, 55 watts though, 12 volts, 55 watts, H11. There you go. It's an H11 bulb, H11LL. And so at this point I'm going to replace it with this one here. It's not perfect. You'll notice the tab is missing, but it's better than nothing. Is this glass? Probably. It's better than nothing, and I do this kind of stuff because I love you guys, right? So plug that back in. Just push it in. Set this here. I'll find a creative way to kind of keep it steady. Maybe, you know, we'll find ways. I'm hoping the vibration is going to shake it to hell, but I'll find a way, maybe zip tie it down here or something. But plus, I mean, in all honesty, the shroud should keep it down. Well, should. We'll see in a bit. So that's secure, right? Put the shroud back in, you know, get your alignment right. But before you do that, make sure the light works, right? And just like that. So as I said, now I'm going to hope everything sits back perfectly. Push this back in. Still a little too loose, so I'm gonna have to come up with a way to secure it, zip ties or something. So anyway, the main purpose of the video has been achieved. Go ahead, put your screws back in there, secure your fender liner, and get back to business. Till later, my people. Well, I came up with a way, and you and I are both about to find out whether it was going to work. Drilled a hole in there using my handy dandy long nose pliers with a hook up front. I don't know the proper name for it. And my knife as well, a little pocket knife. Drill a hole, zip tie over here, zip tie, and I used the knife to drill a hole in there. At least I had enough plastic. Talking of which, the part number for this unit is, so the part number is 26155 89905. Again, part number, which you can't see here, is okay, so 26155 89905. And if memory serves me correctly, I know that part number is shared with a lot of different things. You can use Ultima or Sentra fog lights, if I remember right. So Sentra fog lights should work for you. Let's do this. Clickety. I'm gonna put the camera down. At least you know what I'm trying to do here. So okay, so how'd my shade tree repair work? Well, it's there. It's not the most secure thing, but it's way more secure than it was. That's all I'll say. So for now, I'm gonna put this screw back in here, just to remind me, you know, whenever I get an opportunity to get the proper one, it's gonna go in there. Then put everything else back in. And it looks awkward, doesn't it? If you held this on the bench, you'd think that this was supposed to be on the right side, just because it's, you know, feels a little upside down, doesn't it? Okay, that's in. There you go. However, you might have the radar sensor, this one right here, in case you have a model with the intelligent cruise control. Pretty much the same steps, just that your clips might be obstructed by that camera right there. But yeah, that's how you do it. Good luck.